Hello viewers, welcome back to Mojo for Industry. This is Neha Wagle reporting from RenewX 2025 happening right here in Chennai. Today I'm joined once again by Mr. I.B. Rao, the Managing Director of POM Systems and Services, widely known as POM Power. With over 25 years of leadership in power backup and energy storage solutions, POM Power continues to innovate for both residential and industrial sectors. Let's find out what the company is showcasing this time and how they are further strengthening their legacy. Hello Rao sir, welcome back to Mojo for Industry. So we've been seeing POM Power exhibit in exhibitions from REI to metal forming where we recently met and now at RenewX. So what kind of solutions do you have for this particular segment like the RenewX 2025?
We are looking for in this exhibition. We are concentrating more on hybrid inverter focus, more on hybrid inverters because present requirements growing for hybrid inverters because of on-grid solutions are becoming not viable for the general customers. So they want to keep their daytime, keep the power, store the power, and nighttime they want to use it. And also the battery storage is going up. So our even our present last first day, we see a lot of inquiries are only for hybrid inverters, more than on-grid and other inverters. So this is a good chance for us to introduce in southern market.
So are you launching or showcasing anything, any new product lines or technologies?
Yes. So we are launching the built-in battery, lithium battery hybrid inverter of 3, 5, 10 kilowatts. A very smart and good-looking model. So where in the houses and offices can be easily and looks easily install it. So this is the product we are introducing and we are focusing now.
So we've seen that POM Power is always known for the rugged scaling up products.
Yes.
So what makes your product stand out in the market from the other battery solutions or other providers in the market?
No, we are known for quality
Of course.
products. So from beginning we focus on quality products and where less service and less trouble-free products. So the quality of product is most important. So that's why people, wherever we go, people use our product and also our service network. See, we are people with 35 years experience in this power electronics. So we know to solve the problem for our phone and we can give the solution to the customers. So, and we have network also. They have very good network because our business is not only solar inverters. We are into UPS in a big way and we are into energy storage systems.
Energy storage.
So we are very technical people. So our products, we know that what customer needs, what industry needs, so what the quality.
So also India is rapidly moving towards the battery setup, the battery things. We usually whenever we hear news, people speak about the battery and India taking it ahead.
Yeah.
So how is POM Power aligned to this new things going on in the market or say in the sector? Like how is POM Power aligned to the battery setup things?
See, with respect to the battery energy storage systems and hybrid inverters, the products, what are the products were introduced to the market are international meet the specifications and standards. So we have some certifications. We also got tested with the TUV, the renowned laboratory in the world. So our products are tested with the renowned laboratories and proved that this product, certified that these products are quality products. And they also meet the specifications. There are certain certifications are required like IEC international standards. So we are having that.
Okay, so also I wanted to ask, I've been watching your booth since morning and the people rushing in to check the, energy storage, the 5 kilowatt machine that you've set up over here. So what message would you like to give to our viewers?
And wrong commitments and wrong promises we are not giving the customers. What are the product we are having is genuine products and quality products, and we give them long-term services as per the warranty requirements.
Lastly, I would like to ask, this picture that I saw, this is a video, right, where
Yes,
you're
sir.
getting an award.
Yeah.
So can you tell what this award is, for what you have won, and congratulations on that first.
This award is given by one news channel. It is surveyed, and they're seeing that and the products, and they're seeing that internationally, some countries they are seeing our products and our names and everything, and they surveyed in India, and they considered our experience in this industry. So all these factors, they're chosen us for that mistake. Not only us, they have selected so many people in the more than 40-50 people they selected from India and abroad, and they're given this award in Dubai.
And thank you so much for the interview, sir. And that was Mr. I.B. Rao joining us once again and sharing these amazing insights. It's always great to see how POM Power continues to drive innovation in the power, electronic, and energy storage space. This is Neha Wagle signing off. Stay tuned for more industry updates.